in electronic component warehouse management. Traditional manual counting relies on visual recognition and manual recording, which is time-consuming and labor-intensive. Furthermore, electronic components, such as 01005 and other SMT components, are extremely small, making them prone to miscounts and omissions. The error rate is high, and human operation mistakes are common, leading to discrepancies in accounts, which impact production schedules and supply chain stability. These issues have long troubled enterprises. The Seamark XC1000 smart counting machine brings a revolutionary solution. Its 4-plate synchronous detection technology can increase counting efficiency by 4 times, saving 70% of labor costs. Equipped with AI smart algorithms, it achieves ultra-high technical accuracy, eliminating human counting errors. With a built-in cloud database of over 120,000 materials globally, which is continuously updated, it easily handles all types of package recognition requirements. This high-efficiency, precise, and intelligent counting device seamlessly integrates with enterprise smart warehouse systems, providing electronic manufacturing companies with a one-stop solution for cost reduction and efficiency enhancement, and helping enterprises achieve the digital transformation of warehouse management.